The Macy's card does not have a pre-qualification. So when you guys apply for the Macy's card, it's going to be a full out hard inquiry, and they're using Citibank. So it's most likely going to be a hard inquiry to your Equifax or your Experian credit report. So it's going to be a full out hard inquiry. So when you apply for the Macy's card, just get prepared for the hard inquiry. They're not going to pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. Now let's look at the Macy's card too. I figured since we're already here, let's look at it. So you guys can click right here on apply now. And if you guys want to check to see like can they pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, then you will just usually see it like right at the top. They'll say, hey, pre-qualification without a hard inquiry, or at the bottom too they'll say like pre-qualification without a hard inquiry, and they don't say that. So just know you got to put all your information in here, you got to put your full social in here, and they are going to give you a hard inquiry. They're not going to be able to pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry.